I think it's about like 5:15 in the morning, and I realized that I've been slacking on these vlogs quite a bit. The last couple of weeks have been pretty busy trying to up Embrace Monday, but also trying to work 12-hour days is exhausting. But yeah, last week got pretty busy. Don't have a new vlog out. Kind of bummed about that. Last night got 4 hours of sleep because, well, I shot Embrace Monday on Saturday and nothing turned out. So I had to reshoot it before a 12-hour workday, and then I had to edit it after that. So, point is, I'm not trying to brag about how little sleep I got, but I guess what I am trying to say is put in some work, put in some effort. You can make time for the things that are important to you. I often hear people say, well, I don't have time to do this, I don't have time to do that. I don't have time for you, and that hurts my feelings. Well, if I'm important to you, make time for me. If you're important to me, I'm gonna make time for you. Make time for your hobbies, the things that are fun. Mountain biking, wake surfing, whatever it is. Get up and go do it. Look how beautiful it is this morning. This is fantastic. Beautiful sunrise. I couldn't think of anything better to do than to be out here with my dog. Come on, buddy. Yeah, he's loving it. This is what we do. I drink my coffee. It's delicious. I feel like my heart's gonna explode right now because of the caffeine and lack of sleep. But maybe it's just because I'm full of joy. That could be it too. I don't know. Let's go.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light.
What's up, guys and gals
and everybody watching. It is Tuesday. I've kind of been slacking on this vlog. I've been trying to balance work, embrace Monday, and the vlog, and quite frankly, I feel like I haven't really had very much content that's exciting. But I got Zeus back here, and guess where we're going? The dog park again. But here's the difference. Normally, we go to the dog park super early, which you just saw from a couple of days ago. But today, the reason it's different is because my sister is in town, and she's visiting with her husband, and they brought their dog up, Shelby. And Shelby is a puppy, and I've never met her, and Zeus has never met his cousin. So we're going to go to the dog park and let the dogs meet each other and go swim. And it's very dark in this car because I in fact have a new car and the windows are ridiculously tinted. It's actually very bright outside. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do. I'm pretty excited about it. Zeus, are you excited? Zeus doesn't know. Zeus doesn't know what we're doing. He's just glad I'm home from work. Long 12-hour day at work. Yikes. Okay. That's my sister back there, and my brother-in-law somewhere. One of those is one and one's the other. And they got the little dog Shelby. And things seem to be going well. Zeus is just meandering back to the car.